Situation report: Venezuela crisis escalates into proxy conflict. US faces off against Maduro, Russians, Chinese, and Iranian support. Regional crisis morphs into great power competition. US maximum pressure campaign, sanctions, and a $50 million bounty. Caracas fortifies position, labels US imperialists of the North. Moscow and Beijing provide deep-seated support. Analysis details military, economic, and political vectors. Assessment turns to origins of Russia's influence. Moscow's engagement, deliberate, long-term strategic investment. Engagement began with arms sales in 2008. Comprehensive military packages, rifles, helicopters, armored vehicles. Advanced fighter jets included in the package. Critical inclusion. Formidable destroys. SALT long-range air defense system. S-300 transfer complicates US military planning. System complexity creates long-term dependency. Russian advisors embedded within Venezuelan armed forces. Moscow escalates power projection later that year. Dispatching Tu-160 Blackjack strategic bombers. Arrival of nuclear-capable aircraft on Venezuelan soil. Unambiguous strategic message. Demonstrating Russia's ability to project power directly. Threat assessment complete. Deploy immediate countermeasures. Mission critical. Execute these protocols with surgical precision. Maintain peak operational condition. Neutralize health risks. Your body is your most important tactical asset. Weapon sales include S-300 systems. Assess strategic implications immediately. S-300 transfer complicates US planning. Neutralize threat. System complexity creates dependency. Monitor Russian advisors. Blackjack bombers deployed. Assess strategic message. Nuclear-capable aircraft, unambiguous strategic message received. Propaganda victory for Caracas. Provocation for Washington. Air presence complemented by Naval One. Monitor warship activity. Missile-capable vessels conduct joint training exercises. Assess threat. Moscow's maritime reach demonstrated. Regular port visits. Clandestine support emerges. Operatives from Wagner Group. Wagner Group provides security-trained special forces. Monitor activity. Plausible deniability for Moscow. Assess impact. Russia denies direct involvement. Regime stability ensured. Venezuela transformed into Russia's military partner. Monitor. Layered presence established weapons, PMC operatives. Assess. Designed to deter US action. Secure geopolitical interests. Sustain friendly regime. US periphery secured. Monitor. China employs different strategy. Economic integration prioritized. Technological infrastructure prioritized. Assess impact. China's influence visible. Advanced radar stations constructed. Enhanced airspace awareness provided. Strategic value to Beijing. Monitor US air and naval movements. Caribbean corridor. China effectively monitors US movements. Assess strategic impact. Your body is your most important tactical asset. Maintain condition. US actions secure geopolitical interests, sustain friendly regimes. 8:15 a.m. Analyze China's role, different impactful strategy. Moscow focused on hard power. Beijing economic integration. China's influence, advanced radar stations construction. Enhanced airspace awareness for the regime's strategic value. Monitor US air naval movements in the Caribbean corridor. Beijing gains eyes and ears in the US backyard. Primary strategy, economic revolving around loans for oil. Billions advance to maintain stability in exchange for oil. Arrangement secures China's energy interests. China-funded surveillance communication systems. Equipping the regime with tools for internal monitoring. Chinese firms gained access to gold rare earth mining. 2014 to 2016 oil prices collapsed from $100 to $30 a barrel. Economic catastrophe for Venezuela dependent on oil exports. State income evaporated, hyperinflation, humanitarian crisis. Oil crash magnified China's leverage exponentially. Bankrupt obligated to repay loans with physical oil barrels. Primary creditor with immense control over significant assets. China's influence locked in through debts contracts. Embedded critical infrastructure. Contextualize foreign support within internal political dynamics. Groundwork laid by Hugo Chavez came to power in 1999. Employed oil diplomacy billions to fund allies. Subsidized fuel loans secured their loyalty. Strategy aimed at building an bomber threat assessment. Russia's capabilities under review. China's influence, decades of debt infrastructure control. Contextualize foreign support. Venezuela's internal dynamics. Chavez's oil diplomacy, funding allies across Latin America. Anti-U.S. bloc. Consistent votes against U.S. interests. Washington's response. Funding opposition groups. Presidential term limits abolished, authoritarian rules cemented. Maduro inherits presidency lacking predecessor's charisma. 2014 oil crash, devastating economic impact. U.S. shale oil, boom, end of Venezuela's leverage. Economy disintegrates, Maduro turns to force. Opposition figures jailed, fraudulent election condemned. Maduro's survival, dependent on military loyalty. Transition from populist authoritarianism to brittle survival. Economic collapse, foreign powers rush to fill the vacuum. Direct U.S. Venezuelan hostility escalation review. Maximum pressure campaign. Washington views regime as illegitimate. Neutralize health risks. Maintain peak operational condition. Threat assessment complete. Deploy immediate countermeasures. Mission critical. Execute protocols with surgical precision. Your body most important tactical asset. Maintain condition. Deploy immediate countermeasures to neutralize health risks. Execute protocols with surgical precision for optimal outcomes. Maintain peak operational condition at all times. Threat neutralization is paramount. Immediate action required. Execute protocols with surgical precision for optimal outcomes. Mission parameters. Secure military loyalty. Public opinion is secondary. Execute. Transition from populist control to survival-focused authoritarianism. Acknowledge. Economic collapse created a vacuum. Foreign powers exploit resource scarcity. Report. United States escalates hostility. Maximum pressure campaign initiated. Confirm. Indictment of high-level officials for narcotics trafficking. Bounty placed. Acknowledge. Sanctions imposed on oil industry. Access to U.S. markets blocked. Report. Strategic objective. Sever income streams fracture military loyalty. Analyze. Illicit economies become primary funding source. Gold and drug smuggling increases. Confirm. Sanctioned oil sold through back channels. Cash flow maintains grip on power. Report. Operation Gideon failed. Amphibious raid by mercenaries. Analyze. Captured Americans paraded on state television. Propaganda coup. Confirm. Washington denies official involvement. Incident used as proof of invasion plots. Report. Maximum pressure campaign crippled the economy. Regime change objective failed. Acknowledge. Loyalty of the military and security apparatus remains critical to regime survival. Analyze. Maduro's strategy, pivot to illicit economies. Maintain cash flow to key forces. Confirm. United States prosecutors indict officials on trafficking charges. Execute capture protocols. Bounty reaches $50 million. Sitting head of state designated as a wanted criminal. Report. Crippling sanctions block access to U.S. financial system. Resource scarcity intensifies. Analyze. Corrupt officials facilitate smuggling networks. Gold and drugs become key revenue. Confirm. Sanctioned oil sold at a deep discount. Buyers defy U.S. sanctions. Report. Failed amphibious raid. Concrete proof of U.S.-backed invasion plots. Analyze. Formal Venezuelan economy crippled. Regime change objective remains unfulfilled. Acknowledge. Assess current situation. Prepare for continued instability. Execute contingency plans. Maintain operational readiness. Neutralize all threats to national security. Deploy. Implement countermeasures with surgical precision. Optimal outcomes are paramount. Proceed. Mission complete. Secure strategic assets. Maintain vigilance. Stand down. 2019 Operation Gideon, a failed raid by mercenaries unfolded. The mercenaries' plan to trigger an uprising failed. Washington denied involvement in the failed raid. The incident became a propaganda victory. Pressure crippled the economy, but regime change failed. The leader leveraged illicit economies, rallied nationalism. Stalemate. The conflict is locked in a dangerous stalemate. The regime sought new allies in Moscow and Tehran. Iran's force is active, assisting drone production. Drones provide a potent asymmetric capability. Territorial dispute reignited with eastern neighbor. Offshore oil discovery prompts territorial claim. Troops deployed to the border as a distraction. The West responded directly to the troop deployment. The UK dispatched a warship as a deterrent. The US conducted joint military exercises. Fighter jet deter a potentielle invasion. 2024. The US escalated pressure with gunboat diplomacy. 7 warships deployed, signaling US support. The force was too small for invasion. It was larger than a counter-narcotics operation. Strategy mirrored Operation Brother Sam. Naval presence signaled support for a coup. The objective was not a full-scale invasion. UK deploys HMS Trent. US conducts joint military exercises, deter invasion. US escalate pressure. Gunboat diplomacy in effect. Force deployment. Force exceeds narcotics op, mirrors Brother Sam, signal support. Objective force mobilization. Exacerbate economic political stress. Pressure culminates. July 28th election condemned as fraudulent. Protests erupt. Russia, China provide critical lifelines. 7:15 p.m. Allies respond swiftly. Moscow, Beijing recognize victory. Wagner operatives cited. Suppression of protests. Russian support. China provides economic escape. Illicit oil, gold flow. Venezuela joins BRICS. Break Western isolation. Final assessment. Venezuela in geopolitical vice. US apply pressure. Sanctions, naval presence. Force collapse. Russia, China, Iran provide support. Regime survival. Great powers play rivalries. Hollowed out state. Population trapped. Worst economic humanitarian crisis. Crisis deepens. No immediate resolution in sight.